I came in the market, say 91, that was the Harshad Mehta bull market.
Oh, wow.
And,
Brilliant.
I kind of experienced or saw trends firsthand because I saw what a stock like ACC could have done, where the kind of wealth it created. So over the years, I have really seen that the market rewards few winners, whether it's stocks, whether it's individuals, whether it's strategies. However, how do you identify all of them? It's very difficult to predict all of them.
Okay, so what made you take that call in the early 90s of backing ACC or backing Wipro?
I was just lucky. I was just lucky as far as ACC goes,
You're being
honestly.
humble.
No, ACC, at that stage, we had just come in the market. I was doing my CA. We just got lucky. In the case of Wipro, I think the reason was that since I had studied abroad, I understood a little bit of tech and I understood the power of technology.
Okay.
So when the whole tech boom happened, I believed in technology, right?
Okay.
I saw it happening when I was overseas and I got into technology.
Okay.
And again, you got into Wipro. As I said, that luck is a reality of life. But the thing was that you can be lucky in buying, but in selling, that is where I found that, the challenge was. And that's when, let me get back to this book, which was the most important influence in my life, was this book called Market Wizards by Jack Schwager.
Okay.
In that, I would highly recommend to anybody who hasn't read the book to please read it.
Market Wizards by Jack Schwager.
Yeah.
Okay, noted.
Noted. And it's a lovely, it's a very easy read. It's a question answer between some of the top fund managers and the author Jack Schwager. There was a person profile called Ed Psychota. Very few people know about it.
Okay.
But Ed Psychota was one of the most interesting characters in that book.
Okay.
And he was a fund manager, a hedge fund manager in the US.
So Ed Psychota, I mean, was he a guru who was following technical analysis or fundamental or?
So he's an absolute brain. Okay, he's one of those super brains, and he got into what you call model making or digitization very early in life.
Okay.
He knows how to code, etc.
Oh.
So the important part about him was that he got out the mechanics of trend following, which I told you is simple: buy strength, sell weakness. Sounds simple, right? It's absolutely simple. But the challenge about doing this is the psychology. Is the emotion and the discipline of following the process. And the ability to follow the process is what separates success and failure as far as trend following. In our markets, actually, if you go to look at it, Surbi, it's not rocket science. It's not. Most guys coming with a CA or an MBA are more than qualified.
Yeah.
But the fact is that when you spend time, and especially when you start managing money, you realize that the game is all about the psychology. It's the mindset. And it's between you and the market. So in that sense of the term, this whole stock market is a very meditative experience.